Hello, hello, this is Mark from Always Soul 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Small video walk around for 2007 Toyota 4Runner V8, guys, with a four-wheel drive, under 150,000 miles, and no rust. We're gonna do this very quick. There's not so much to see because, as you can see, it's beautiful. We're gonna look at the front windshield right away, okay? We're gonna look at the hood. You'll see that the hood, I don't see any damages on the hood. I don't see any damages on the windshield. Guys, yes, it's a V8. You can have a logo right on the grill that you can see. That's a V8. Of course, the engine also V8. You got a nice front bumper. Once again, it looks beautiful. It looks nice and shiny. Minor scratches. It's minor scratches you can see right here. Okay? Don't kill the messenger. Keep that in mind. This is a 20-year-old truck. Okay, your tires are super nice. The vehicle's running, by the way. The tires are super nice. Hopefully you can hear it. We have a good microphone, okay? We got a good microphone for you, so you can hear it. It's limited, guys. It's limited to the number we could sell, okay? Four-wheel drive. Look at this door. Look at this paint. It's gorgeous. It's huge, all right? Now, let's go inside quick. We're gonna do this video quick. It's very hot right now, and I'm wearing jeans. I'm supposed to wear shorts. Okay, you got upgraded radio because it's limited. You got the dashboard that is not cracked. Like, take a look. There's no cracked dashboard, guys. That's what you're looking for. The carpets are nice. You got no sticky carpets. You got nice leather interior here. You got four-wheel drive. You got heated seats. All right, cold air conditioner and a sunroof. Okay, and this is all for a 20-year-old Toyota. It's gorgeous. All right, okay, now let's stop talking and let's move forward. Now, this door, as you can see, looks good. I don't see any damages. Same thing on the door panel. Door panel looks nice inside. Window works, okay? You got seats. Wear and tear for 20-year-old, guys. Look at that. There's some wear and tear in the seats, all right? That's what you're gonna get. We don't have any other one, all right? If you're okay with it, you buy it. Let's look at the bottom right below the door panel and the tire. The tire is nice. Look at the tire and look at the below. How nice is it? On the bottom with no rust. Beautiful undercarriage. That's what you're looking for. We have it. Listen, bottom line, you could purchase the truck, always upgrade. You can lift it up. You can do a lot of things with it as long as the frame is good. Okay? Now we're gonna go to the back. The back door is nice. The rear bumper is nice. You got the towing going on right there. Okay, you can tow things if you want. You got bunch of room in the trunk. Even has original cargo cover. Look at that. Usually you don't see them like that. Let's see if we can put it back here. I like it. Usually people, when older trucks, they just throw things out. You know, here somebody have it, everything intact, in place, originally. Beautiful, gorgeous. Let's go. Okay, so we got what we got here. Now we go on this side. We got a quarter panel. We got a bumper, minor little scuffs, whatever you can see on the pictures. We're also gonna have pictures on alwayssold123.com. You have door panel right here. Second door panel, few little dinks. I don't know if it's visible right there. Anyways, guys, for a 20-year-old truck, it's beautiful. You got nice tires across the board. You got nice door panels on the inside. Window works. Okay. All right. And let's see. Window works up and down or no? Yep. Look at that. Window works. You got driver's seat. Driver's seat is nice. Look at that. And the back seat works. Now you got tilt steering wheel is of course not power. You got all the four-wheel drive locks, whatever it is supposed to have. Once again, cold air conditioner. I like the dashboard. Dashboard is, it looks like original and it's not cracked out. Okay. Now let's go quick under the hood. All right. Now you open this up. Boom! Check it out. You got a battery 625 replaced. You got timing record. I don't have my glasses on because I try to look cool, but zip it. Now, look, This is a V8 4%. Obviously, they did timing here, okay? Otherwise, it wouldn't be here. So it sounds very good. The engine sounds very good. Guys, just buy the car, take care of it, and you're gonna be okay. You don't need to worry about. Now, anyways, now we went through most of the car, right? So just really basics what I gotta tell you. Now keep that in mind. I do sell cars. This car is sold as this, right? Now taxes, fees, and registration obviously not included in price. Shipping is $1 to $1.50 a mile from one zip code to another. Bottom line, it's 1,000 miles, it's $1,000 minimum, okay? All the paperwork remotely, DocuSign. We'll send you DocuSign, you sign, chop, chop, you do a wire transfer, and we're good. You don't need to worry. It takes some time to ship the car. Keep in mind, we're not on Amazon. This is not a package from Amazon. This is a car. It takes time to get to you. We're gonna try to do our best to serve you well. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to call us directly. Thank you so much. My name is Mark. God bless. Now I'm gonna go have my cup of tea. Bye-bye.